is tracking the latest conditions. There's some high winds coming our way. Is that right, Mike?
Strong winds. Let's put it that way, Delina. Some question, you know, when it comes to the weather, nothing is ever simple. That's why you have me here to try to sort it out for you. But actually, we have some warm air riding up and over some cooler air at the surface. And whenever that happens, it's what we call an inversion. That means that the temperatures actually increase with elevation through the atmosphere. And sometimes if there's an inversion in place, sometimes it's difficult to get those stronger winds down to the ground. But I think that, at least in some of the rain shower activity that we're forecasting for tomorrow, I'm forecasting for tomorrow, and maybe some of the thunderstorms, it's possible that some of those stronger wind gusts may be brought down to the ground. And if that's realized, there is the potential, at least, for some sporadic power outages across the area. So you may want to search out the flashlights tonight. Be prepared. Words of wisdom, right? As we check out the Burness Bay late afternoon webcam shot, David Faust webcam at Chautauqua Lake. Hey, it looks like Chautauqua Lake is icing over here. Probably not thick, but at least a thin veneer of ice forming on the lake there. And there was a little bit of limited sun, at least down that direction late this afternoon. And actually, as we get into tonight, it's going to become somewhat cloudier along the border regions between New York and Pennsylvania. And those clouds will start to spit out a little bit of precipitation, which may cause some problems for you folks. Hey, not a bad day out there today. It was nice to see the sunshine. Some high clouds mixed with the sun, but actually a gorgeous day with light wind speeds. High temp, we reached 36 here in Buffalo, 32 from the Falls, 30 down at Jamestown, 28 at Wellsville, a little chillier down at Bradford with 26 degrees. Here's the satellite picture tonight, and varying amounts of cloud cover found directly to the west of the region tonight. A little bit of spotty precipitation already showing up here in Indiana and Ohio, and it's some of that precip that may start to produce some of that freezing drizzle or freezing rain along the Pennsylvania line, at least for us tonight. But the main bulk of the precip that we have in the forecast, at least as we get into the beginning of the week, will not arrive until we get into the morning hours tomorrow. Microcast showing a little bit of that patchy freezing drizzle along the border down here. Otherwise, look for increasing clouds and becoming very windy by morning already, especially across the higher terrain along the Erie Lakeshore southwest of Sturgeon Point. And periods of rain showers during the day tomorrow, perhaps a few thunderstorms. The winds will slacken slightly during the latter portion of the day. Still pretty windy, though, into tomorrow night, and we're seeing rain showers mixing with and changing over to snow showers here. We'll continue to have at least some scattered snow showers across the area as we get into Tuesday. Probably not a huge accumulation out of this, but maybe enough to put down at least some accumulation on the area roadways and make things a little slippery out there in spots. Neighborhoods tonight, Grand Island at 38 degrees. We have Williamsville and also Lancaster at 37 degrees, Cheektowaga 38 down through West Seneca, Alma 36, 35 at the high school at Hamburg, and regionally looking at a temp of 27 at Jamestown, 26 at Bradford, and also at the Falls. Forecast for tonight becoming windy and milder, especially after midnight. Partly cloudy skies, cloudier down in the south. That's where we'll see some of that patchy freezing rain and freezing drizzle. 25 to 32 rising temps overnight. Strong wind gusts and mild for Monday. Rain showers develop during the morning hours, a few thunderstorms, 43 to 47. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour in the higher terrain to the south and along the Erie Lakeshore. Rain showers mixing with and changing over to snow showers tomorrow night. Still windy, 27 to 32. It'll be mostly cloudy, scattered snow showers on Tuesday with a brisk wind, 33 to 37. Quiet weather on tap on Wednesday. Just a little bit of nuisance precip in here on Thursday, and still pretty quiet on Friday. Next storm seems to arrive next weekend. Stay connected with me on both Facebook and Twitter throughout the evening, Elena.
Okay, thanks.